Hello everyone. Today we are playing The Station. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I got a little bit busy and I'm working on something big for the next video. So be sure to wait for that video. Let's get into The Station. Another typical Thursday. I'm really looking forward to that raise. Maybe I'll be able to buy a car in a few years. Whatever. Now I have to wait here. Damn! Whatever, now I have to wait at the subway. Who's this guy? Let's see. Hey kid, can you help me? Press Y for yes, or N for no.
It's time to stop!
Sure. Sure. What do you need? Thanks. Take this key and open the maintenance room. There should be a screwdriver. Hand it to me. Aight. Damn. This is a mess. Okay. What the... There it is. We got it. Let's see what else is in here. Get the heck out of here. And you. We're messing up this whole guy's closet. Let's go. Come on. I should probably stop. Alright. Let's pretend. Yo. Let's pretend we went. Let's pretend we went here. Let's shut the door. Oh crap, we can't. Alright. Yeah, it was quite messy. I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff on the floor. Thanks. No problem. Take care. What is this guy working on? Generator, I guess. Can we interact with that? Alright. So where's this train at? Let's see what else we can talk to. He seems very sad. Should I talk to him? Yeah, let's talk to him. Hey man, are you okay? I'm having a really tough time recently. Why? What is that sound? It's been the worst week of my life. Yo, my train? Yo, sorry, I just...
We do not care.
Sorry. Yep, take care. Alright, let's go. My feet are killing me. I should find a seat. Why is everyone staring at me? What the heck are you staring at? Oh, let's sit over here. Wait, can we sit anywhere else? Why is the train not moving? Oh, we can sprint? Isn't this the same guy? Yo, are you guys brothers or something? Can we exit? I kind of didn't talk to everybody. Alright, let's sit. Yeah, it's a nice day, huh? So tired. Uh-oh. Oh! What the hell? What the heck? What the heck? Oh my days, what the heck? Yo! Were you alive, my friend? Who did... Yo. Please, don't kill me. Please. I'm sorry for what I've done. Please. Oh my days! Oh my god! Bro, there's nothing we can do. Huh? Thanks. What? You lived. Let's go! Alright, let me just get through all of this. Okay, let's talk to this guy. Hello? Shopbooker. I didn't want to buy it anyways. Bro, get off your dang phone. Alright. Let me try call somebody. Yo, we need help. That guy's a freak of nature. We need to get out of here. So you just don't want to get took. Oof. Nice haircut. Yeah, they really love each other. Hmm. Can we get in here? Oh, excuse me. Do you know if the train is coming? It's it's 5:35, so it shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. Thanks. No worries. Bro, like snapped his head. Nah, we ain't talking to this guy. Let's help this guy again. Yeah, I don't care. Alright, I'll help you. Let's see if we can find like a weapon to defend ourselves with. Wait, this might be the strat. Let's grab this with us. Come with us, come with us. Oh, wait. Alright, we'll take this with us too. We're gonna need it to protect ourselves. Alright. What if we can just leave the subway right now? Calm down, everyone. This is a subway. We can't go down that way. What about up here? We can't go. Yo, I just got some speed boost. What? Oh, I think I have to talk to this guy. He seems very sad. Should I talk to him? No. I should mind my own business. Oh, so that's what I had to do. You got this to protect ourselves. Which way is it coming from? This way. Right. What was that sound? My feet are killing me. Where's my weapon? I carried it all this way. We're gonna have to search you. Oh no. Brace for impact. No, no, I'm sorry. Why did I talk to you? I'm sorry. I could use some sleep. You died, ending 3 hour 4. Alright, this is where I'm gonna end off the video. I legit could not find the other endings and I don't really want to search them up, because that takes away the whole purpose. But hopefully you enjoyed. Be prepared for the next video. It's gonna be chaotic. Trust me. I just wanted to post this just for you guys to have something to watch. You know, you've been waiting for a couple of like days or weeks. I don't even remember. But alright. Thanks. And I'll see you guys until next time.